Hey YouTubers, shout out to hurricanewindpower.com for Tony. Got me a 1500 wind turbine. So tower's all still good to go. Haven't done any changes to that. Wires are still the same, 10 gauge all the way through, 30, about 50 feet from my actual inverter, interface and then inverter. So what we did, as you saw in the previous videos, welded slip flanges on the bottom, slip flange on the top, did 3 support poles to catch some of the torque. This is a schedule 80 piece of pipe, 5 feet long, so that will not flex or bend, I guarantee it, under anything Cat 2 regardless. So this is the turbine. Still got to do a little more camo painting on there to blend in with the trees, birds, or whatever. Got the purple tips just in case the birds do see it. Got the old spiral in the center. She did it the wrong way though. My little one, I told her it has to go in the direction of. So, but anyway, that's it. Smooth as can be. I mean, I just basically give this thing a wing. And I already checked the ohms. They are all 3.3. And now this is, I think it was 200 and something RPM, 50 volts, which it needs to be for to kick on the inverter. And then full speed of my drill was 565, I think it was, and that brought it up to 140 volts. So it's plenty enough voltage for the inverter to do. I don't know what kind of wind speeds will produce. That's one thing they never tell you in really any charts. So if I got 2 to 3 meter speeds on these blades, how many RPMs is that? And what's that equate to volts? They do have a power curve chart, which is, it's not the greatest detail, and it doesn't have points on it for voltage. So you have to interpolate on the chart, which now that's what I'm going to do, because I have to interpolate that power curve that they have, and hopefully that's the one. If not, I'm going to try to get in touch with them and say, hey, I need one for the 1500, because I think that one in there is for the 110 volt. So, and this is a 96 volt. So anyway, I have to program my Aurora inverter again, power it up with some DC supply, get it going, and then plug in these points and then save it into the inverter. And then I'll put this thing up when the winds pick up after I get that all programmed. So that's it for now. Everything's in place, torqued down, sealed, and ready to go. So that's about it. Now we'll see what kind of production we get after we get this thing hooked up to the inverter and programmed. That's it for now.